Hey guys, what's up? It's Sai with Sai Life. I hope you've enjoyed the videos so far. Hope you've been trying them. If you do have any questions, please DM me. I'll be happy to answer your questions, okay? Today we're gonna do some new exercises, starting with one of my favorites, the push-up. So the body weight exercises are important, guys. It's so important that I want to do a whole series just on that. Because if you wanna get stronger, leaner, all that stuff, faster and all that stuff, you gotta do the body weight stuff. That's how important it is, okay? So don't be afraid, I'll show you how to do them, all right? So we're gonna start off with a push-up. So the first exercise we're gonna do today is the push-up, all right? Here's my mat. You wonder why the key's there? I'll explain that soon, okay? First thing you wanna do is, where's your hands and where's your head, okay? I'm gonna show you the way it should be and what I usually see people, how usually people do it, okay? So for me, it's keep your hands at the edge of the mat like this. Just shoulder, if you don't have a mat, just shoulder width. You don't wanna go too wide. That's a shoulder, don't mess with that. If you go too close, it becomes too much of a tricep exercise, okay? Push-ups are 90 to 95% chest, about 5 to 10% tris, okay? That's the only part, and you're gonna feel in your abs. You shouldn't feel it anywhere else, especially right here. If you're feeling it in your right delt, stop immediately, readjust, and try it again. If you're still having issues, please DM me. This is a dangerous exercise if you don't do it right, okay? So, I'm gonna show you how to do the hand placement, shoulder width, okay? Reason why I have these keys here is that's where my head should be, okay? My chin should be lined up with that. So, my head's here. So I look like this. What people do here is they do this. Look where my head is, behind my hands. People do this. Now neutral position. I'm still in the wrong position. Hands here, head past the hands. And now people are gonna be like, oh, do you pick up for the people who think I teach with the knees down? No, it's important for two reasons. If you are on your knees, you're gonna be in an angle. So you're gonna start doing this. It's not a shoulder exercise, right? It's a chest, okay? So that's one. Number two is you want your body, you wanna be able to hold your own body weight. That actually makes you stronger. Even if you just did this, you're already getting much stronger, okay? When you do this, it takes the legs out. And that's what you don't want that, okay? So hands here, head here, okay? I'm looking at the either edge of the mat or a foot ahead of me, okay? So you don't wanna do this and you don't wanna do that, okay? So, and here, I'm gonna go all the way down, squeeze my chest, breathe out. Palms down, squeeze my chest, full extension. Full extension, okay? This is not a push-up. I don't know what the hell that is. I know Marines do it, but that's not a real push-up. Full push-up is hands, head up, about an inch to the ground, squeeze the chest, full extension. You're gonna get that extra pump, okay? For Arnold Schwarzenegger out there, that's get that pump in the chest, okay? So I'm gonna show you the side angle now. So here's the profile version, okay? So come here, hands at the edge of the mat. My key's here, you can put anything there. You're gonna line it up, your head there. Looks good. Now, some people, I do it this way. Some people like to do it this way. Key is keep your abs tight, okay? You wanna make sure abs tight the whole way, okay? So here, I'm gonna go down, squeeze chest, breathe out. Palms to the ground, squeeze your chest, and breathe out. Now for people who can't go that low, it's okay. That's not going down is not the important part of the push-up, it's coming back up. So if you can only go an inch, that's fine. So squeeze and breathe, squeeze and breathe. As you get better, you get lower, okay? The key is squeeze, push down with your palms, squeeze that chest, breathe out. It's the chest that leads the way, not this. And don't bounce, smooth. Smooth. All right, and that's the push-up. Some of the guys can't do regular push-ups because of their wrists. I'm gonna show you the elevated version of it. So everything is pretty much the same, okay? So if you're just a little bit higher, so you're gonna take the stress off your wrists, okay? So, hands here, head past. I look about a foot away, looking right at this cushion. I'm gonna go as low as I can, press down with the palms, squeeze chest, breathe out, full extension, okay? If that still hurts your wrist, use your fist. And do the same thing. Head here, squeeze, breathe out, full extension. No escape. You guys can do a push-up too. All right. And if you feel like this is too high, you can still go a little bit lower. But other than that, you should be able to do a push-up. All right, take care. Okay, so let's do exercise number 2, and that is the broad jump. Now, I'm not expecting Olympic-like jumps, but it's a great exercise. It hits your inner thighs, hits your legs in a different way. Squats are great. The problem is for squats are the quads and your hamstrings take over, and sometimes the little muscles don't get hit as much, okay? But with the broad jump, it's gonna hit everything, and your calves, okay? And gives you some kind of explosive kind of feel, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You don't have to, this is not gonna be anything great. Just all you're gonna do is, I'm gonna do 2 jumps, okay? So line up against the wall, okay? Look, I'm still in the format of the squat, right? Knees bent, butts out, I'm looking straight ahead, okay? I kind of like using my arms, and you're just gonna jump forward. You're gonna push from the heels, and you'll land on the balls of your feet. I'm gonna do it one time. Push from your heels, and you land on the balls of your feet, okay? Jump fast, jump. If you could do one big, huge jump, that's okay with an exercise, but that's how you do it. Pushing from the heels, landing softly. Remember that word whenever time I say jump, just in your head, think of the word soft. You want a soft landing. You don't want to come crashing down to earth, okay? You don't want to cause all kinds of noises and joint ache pains, okay? So that is the broad jump. Exercise number 3 is going to be the wall squat. Deceptively hard exercise. You got to kind of build up to it, but I'm just going to show you the form right now. So I'm going to show you a profile version of it, then the one against the wall, and then I'm going to show you a version if you don't want to mess up your walls, just in case, how to do it on the couch, okay? So basically you're lined up, your back against the wall, and you're going to go parallel to the ground, parallel meaning hamstrings to the ground, and you're going to sit there like that for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, for as long as you can, or whatever thing I give you for the workout, okay? So I'm gonna show you now how to do it against the wall. So put my back against there, sit down and hold, okay? You can hold like this, do this, close your eyes, concentrate on the breathing, okay? You do that, it might be bearable, okay? So if you don't wanna mess up your walls here, this is what you do here with the couch. You line it up, toes open, butts out, and you're gonna go about an inch higher than the couch. But touch the couch and then go about like a half an inch to an inch. And you're gonna hold and sit. Again, here, close those eyes, concentrate on the breathing, and hold on for dear life. All right? And that's the wall squat and couch squat. So the 4th exercise we're gonna do today is the flutter kicks, okay? So it hits the lower abs. That's the number 1 question everybody asks me, how do you get the lower abs? Here's the thing though, you can do all the flutter kicks in the world. Make sure you're eating right. I know everybody hates when I say that, but that's the only way. When you first start out, you're gonna see the top of your abs down to here, and all of a sudden you're like, I want easy breezy. Next thing you know, why am I struggling? That's usually the eating part, okay? You can do all those flutter kicks in the world, but it doesn't work if you don't eat right. That's my tangent, sorry about that. So I'm gonna show you now how to do a flutter kick, okay? So lie down here, okay? Now you can put a lower towel, like a rolled up towel, sorry, your lower back, or you could just hold your hands like this, head all the way back, and you're just doing little kicks like this. You don't have to do big ones, just little ones like that, a couple inches off the ground. If you go too high, for taller people, sometimes your legs get too heavy, so if you start feeling in the quads, that means you're going too high. If you're feeling the lower back, you might be going too high too. So use a towel, or you put your hands here, or here's another version. Just keep my head here, and then just do it that way, okay? That way your back will be hopefully protected, and that is the flutter kick. Like we do after every episode, I'm gonna give you a nice little workout for you to do, okay? It's 5 rounds, 30 seconds of each exercise. I want you to take 3 to 5 minute breaks after each round. For those who are going to endurance, you can wait 2 minutes. If You guys who are really good out there, take a minute. But remember, form matters. So if your form is off, I don't want you just rushing back in, okay? So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna start off with a wall squat. So I'm gonna sit like that, boom, knock it out, okay? Once I do 30 seconds there, then I'm gonna do my broad jump. Either do one huge leap or two small ones, and then two back. So you jump here, turn around, jump back. Do that for 30 seconds. Try to go as fast as you can, but land softly. Remember the word soft, okay? So that's once you're done here, jump into the push-ups. Hands, head, looking at the edge of the mat, about a foot away. Go all the way down, push palms of your hands, all the way, breathe out. Full extension, full extension. Okay, so then once you get here, flutter kicks, a towel or your hands. Go as fast as you can. Little mini kicks should hit you in the lower abs. So once again, when you do each round, depending on your fitness level, 3 to 5 minutes, I would say. And I hope you enjoy the workout. Take care.